So nothing lost. If we don't contribute because already other people did. Okay, crazy music. For Spider-Man is a 15-second speedrun. Okay, up is jump. Ah, okay. Oh, thank you kindly, helicopter. Helicopter. Look at him. Okay. This might be the worst game ever. Oh! Ooh, ooh. It is interesting. Let me put it like that. It is interesting. Spider-Man. It do be Spider-Man though. Can we? Oh, there's a talker. See that? Ah. Oh my god, why is he so slow? Spider-Man. Thank you. Oh my god. Hey, thanks for coming through, Chiro. See you soon. Quick and Silver, check it out. Super fun game. That's the one I played just now, basically. Can I? Will you touch me? Oh, there's a chair. How do we even Oh, that's the way. Doodle-doodle-doodle. Oh, okay. Spider-Man. Check out Quick and Silver and see you on Turbo Santa anytime you find time. So don't stress. Come on. Oh, that was close. This game might be hideous, but it still is playable, Demi. It still is playable. Wouldn't have thought, but it is playable. It just takes Spider-Man years to do anything, but besides that point, it works. What? No! But it's nice to know that you can also, like, shoot these things, so you can just shoot them and don't have to go there physically. Mm-hmm. Ah, okay. Uh-oh. Yeah, but I need... Can I kill it? When it walks on it, that I go and, okay, no. Can't be bothered. Okay, the game won't let you, high onto these. But what is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? Alcatraz might be a 10-minute game. Haven't yet started running that since it has some serious RNG. There's nothing to be gained if we send them up. And still we can continue on. What is this now? Oh, hey, hey, hey. Okay, thank you. Oh, oh, ooh. Okay. So. Ah. See. See. Ooh. Climb that gargoyle. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, we go in there then. Spider dude. This is the worst Spider-Man game. By far. Which one do we want? Because the right path is toggled anyways. If we have this on. Doesn't change a thing. This one changes a thing. So we want it like this first. Then we want to activate that toggle here. Let's see, because we got some new path down here. Where does it lead? And what does it entail? It leads nowhere. Good to know. So maybe now that we have the middle toggle flipped, Spider-Man only has a few good games. I agree, which is sad because Spider-Man seems to be the most beloved franchise. One way or another. You know what? Let's try something. If we have this toggle here and there are toggle configurations, is something happening here? Yeah. But what does it help us with him being down there? I think we want it like... No, we want it like this, maybe? Yeah, because now we can go bottom left. Oh my god. This game takes forever. Like, playing Pharaoh's Curse would be more chill. But it is what it is, isn't it? The Game Boy one was cool. That I never played, I think. Huh? Why is there a door all of a sudden? Okay, and that doesn't help because apparently we need to enter from that one tomb room first, where the mummy is in. God, this game. So. Let me check if talking the flip... If we can flip that switch. You know. Okay, but that... Ah, yeah. Now we have that door open. That's good. Yes, sir. Now we toggle this switch here again. Now we go up and toggle the switches here again. I think it was this one. Yeah. And then this one so we can get through. And oh, come on. Drop. Look how fast he is. Turbo Man. Bit of a boring game to watch, I suppose. Oh, look at that. Maybe that's good. Seems like it. Oh no, not yet. Not yet, though. So, the rat trap is a thing, but we have to go further. Oh yeah, that's where it came from. That's fair, though. So I guess... Oh, this is a fixed one. We don't touch this, it seems. What about this one? Maybe that's a good thing. We're about to find out. Did it change anything down here? Let's check. No. Great. This game. Because we should be able to get through so we can go to the right and target that one switch. You know what? I'm taking the risk and I'm gonna check out the left here because oh, we can't. Nice. That's fair. But we get nothing from deactivating this, so let's check this out again. Yeah. All good, all good. Does this even damage? No, it heals. Oh, it's a healing spa. There's nothing to be gained in this room, except there is this one little toggle, as you can see. Which we cannot reach. Because, obviously, the game... No, I wanted to go. I can still go, though. Oh, but then it's closed. Oh, come on. That's not what I wanted. Why is this so hideous? Easy. Come. Okay, we're gonna go this way like we did before. Come here, doggo. Good boy. Doom. Fuck you. There's nothing to be gained or to be lost if we do this, right? Maybe we can do some more with the switches so we get that one switch here on the bottom right open though. Because I think that's the main goal of this room, right? Some way or another. Oh, I thought he was soft locked. Sure thing, Spooty. I think there's nothing to be gained in this room. I don't know how to continue on in this game. Does anyone else know? It's having this thing here, for example. Doesn't help at all. It didn't crack it open or anything else. So, and we cannot go bottom right. That is actually not a passage, it seems. So even if we do it like this and we activate that one toggle on the wall, it doesn't help us anything because we cannot go anywhere. See, we got this open now. But we cannot go to the right, so we got nothing from this. There is nothing here. This is just... See, he's laughing. This game is hideous. Sorry guys, we're gonna kill ourselves and submit the score because There we go. Thank you. JEK. 1013.